And right here we have a small Class C Winnebago view. These are supposed to be very, very kind on gasoline usage. Made by Winnebago, of course. On a Dodge chassis. 2008 24-foot Winnebago view for $39,995. Here is a view of the view. 3,500. Have a little bit of damage over here. I'm not too sure what that's all about. And they must have hit something there. Looks like they tried to repair it at one point. The repair doesn't appear to be holding up. Here is the back of the rig. The backup camera, of course. Okay, let's enter. Batteries are probably under the step. I don't know if there's one or two batteries. That floor's kind of neat looking. It's a linoleum though. Okay, so here is the small galley kitchen. Still very usable. I like that low profile vent hood. That is pretty neat. I'd like that for my Silver Streak. And of course the 3-burner propane stove top, storage underneath, a smaller convection microwave. So here are your controls. Ceiling light. Overhead bed area. I see some warping up there. I don't know if that, when you see stuff like that, be cautious. It could be a leak, or the headliner could just be coming down. What you look for are water stains. It's a pretty high overhead cab area. No sofa in this model. We have the dinette. Nor cold refrigerator. Freezer on top, refrigerator on bottom. The corner bed in the back. And your pantry or closet. That should be a closet. Yeah, it's a closet. Right here. Your specs are on the wall, however it's too dark. I don't have a flashlight with me. Not really a fan of these corner beds, but again, that's personal preference. The bathroom sink over here, and then somebody cut this foam piece to fit the mattress. And then there is your toilet and shower area with a MaxxAir fan. The difference between a MaxxAir fan and a Fantastic fan is the MaxxAirs are white and not as see-through. The Fantastic fans are clear. And the other difference is I prefer the MaxxAir fan because you can still use it as a fan with your vent cover closed, whereas with the Fantastic fan, the vent cover has to be open for the fan to function. cockpit area. Standard type seating. Kind of smallish seats actually. There we go. Battery boost is nice to have. If your engine battery doesn't want to start, you can boost it off your coach battery. And then it'll start right up. Backup camera, I assume. So there we go. This is the 2008 24-foot Winnebago View for $39,995.